Dairy farming is a profitable and sustainable business in India. India is the world's largest milk producer, and the demand for milk and milk products is growing steadily. The dairy farming business can be started with a small investment and can be scaled up as the business grows. Here are the steps on how to start a dairy farming business in India. Choose a suitable location. The location of your dairy farm should be close to a reliable source of water, fodder, and electricity. It should also be accessible to a market where you can sell your milk and milk products. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. You will need to obtain a license from the Animal Husbandry Department of the government. You may also need to obtain other permits, such as a building permit and a water connection permit. Build a shed for your animals. The shed should be well ventilated and have enough space for your animals to move around comfortably. It should also have a drainage system to prevent the spread of diseases. Purchase the necessary equipment. You will need to purchase milking equipment, feed troughs, water troughs, and other equipment. Select the right breeds of animals. The breeds of animals you select will depend on your climate and the type of milk you want to produce. For example, Holstein Friesian cows are known for their high milk production, while Sahiwal cows are known for their heat tolerance. Provide proper care for your animals. This includes providing them with good quality feed, water, and shelter. You should also vaccinate them against diseases and take them to the vet for regular checkups. Market your milk and milk products. You can sell your milk to local dairies, grocery stores, or directly to consumers. You can also make milk products such as yogurt, cheese, and butter and sell them to local restaurants and shops. The cost of starting a dairy farming business in India depends on the size of the farm and the type of equipment you purchase. However, you can expect to invest anywhere between 50,000 Indian rupees to 10 lakh Indian rupees. The dairy farming business is a profitable one, but it is important to do your research and plan carefully before you start. By following the steps above, you can increase your chances of success. Here are some additional tips for starting a dairy farming business in India. Get advice from experienced dairy farmers. Attend training programs and workshops on dairy farming. Join a dairy farmers association. Stay up to date on the latest developments in the dairy industry. I hope this helps. Mane Livestock Farming Private Limited 9,075,1430, 8,668,904,470 https://www.youtube.com/@livestockindia.
हाय गाइस, 2 दिन पुराना स्टार्टअप है मेरा। ऑफिस बड़ा नहीं है लेकिन सपने बहुत बड़े हैं। साथ दोगे?
भाई सैलरी
सैलरी नहीं दे पाऊंगा लेकिन